John Tony here, CCxRC, and tonight I am in Newport News at the Hobbytown where they're doing a Scaletopia Drift event this weekend. People are in from all over and they're in here and they're just doing some warm-ups and practice tonight for their event tomorrow. But it's really awesome. They're doing the night light stuff right now, so we'll take you guys in there, show you what they've been doing, and let you hear about where this event started. So hope you guys enjoy.
Mike from Hobbytown. We started getting the local drift scene kind of going about 5 years ago. We started in the back room of Hobbytown Newport News, eventually moved into the building next to Hobbytown Newport News, and now we have a big indoor track. And this is the Fall Slide Jam. This is probably the third annual, I believe, event. This is our big one of the year. We get guys from all over the East Coast, so we got Michigan, Ohio, Pennsylvania, and other states come here for 3 days of slides.